Test ladies get to try goddess lang this paper the card paper samala so show any taringi reading the kiranzola chidangipa. Chidangipa ge tarik chuchining shubarla next 10 days kiranzo ichido continue to do the color reading in a shwera. The drinking in dinala and kiranzo ichido ruka shi suyu group 4 groups. Ani loda the only nalange kopshi capture you ni yana kiranzo get each and do. So intuition power yapu yung is chidura so intuition yung ngi kat shagi yi won't ni makiranzo tamna tigre la shera ani dig yung la thandu kiranzo ge tawa dig reading check out cheme pa ina kiranzo ge senzina me pa ina ani nge tawa khangzang ge reading detailed reading geshin ge pa reading chini ani upload yang chi sar yu la shera kiranzo ge senzina me pa ina nge link di description na la shago la shera ani kiranzo ge chidu tanda group di kandirilana group shi yo che shi group tangbo dinala ruka tangbo dinala ani kiranzo jiwa dul tel sum re la shera ani ruka niwa dila lidio ni la da dul dang ja sum re la shera ruka suba dina lidio ni ta da ki sum re la shera ani kiranzo ruka shiba di imba ni yu da lu da pa sum re la shera so intuition ya bodo mi du sabai na ni so lo da ki ni dam sha na di re la shera and so intuition ya poligyo ay na intuition da group number 1 dila intuition karila na Knight of Cups re la shera dila kira attract chagi duwe ni kira ge di chola attraction de nang shukchimbu de ba shukchimbu ligyo ay na ni kira group 1 ta na tigre la shera sesina na tigre la shei ani kira ge group 2 di justice chagi dura ni justice chola kira ge de ba shukchimbu ligyo ay na ni kira ge group 2 sesina na tigre la shera ani yana kira ge 9 of pentacles shayura ta di chola kira ge de ba shukchimbu ligyo ay na ni kira ge rukha sumba di sesina na tigre la shera ani kira ge yana 6 of wands ra 6 of wands chola kira ge attract shukchimbu de ba shukchimbu ligyo ay na ani kira ge rukha shiba di tamna tigre islan shera ani so on the day tada de chik dinala tadara kandi ge sozo de bashu chimbali do yana sozo kaptu gora loda gyungeni damsha ne tigre sozo de ba chela shera sozo intuition ya boyo ana intuition gyungeni dam sozo intuition ge sheda ga de ba sheda li mi du sambai da sozo loda gyungeni dam la ni shera okay ni ngendo di ko zora ni sozo time stamp de description na sha yu lan shei testele ruka dambo so ni kira zogi loda jiwa da dug da tel di sunne karo chi ba ngi do di kira gi chedure yana kira gi Knight of Cups chola de ba shuk chimbale wa ngi do di kira gi chedure la shwera kira gi chedu next day des kan de do shtudu kira zogi chedu next day des kan de sto shtudu o de ko la ri ne chi chigira okay oh kira salara kita nyenda do dang chik lamgo ya pu ge do da lamdo ya pu ge do da so yana di chi chungdu celebration chia okay kira zogi chik chen celebration party tang ya te de tungi dura di so losar ge energy ingire ya losar la so gi tang ya party tang ya celebration de yana so keta nyenda den shukchimbu chagi wa den de tungi du la shera kira zogi chi do the day do tungi do ni mi changma kira ge lega yak puchik chen mi changma kira la pe ka u chung ya den de tungi du la shera yang kira single imba na kira chola proposal ya ligi do okay proposal shukchi puchi do kira zo na la single mang puchi yo sare nge se single nge de zo so chola so la ka u ching ye de ba ching ye mi de so chola su yung gi yo tungi du ya na kira ge so de ba yo ge mi de chala pha do gi yo on den de tungi du ya na pha do ri kira ge do ri ya na kira chola su yung gi re on de do kang tar da do gi yo so sim gi ke cha di shigi yo on de shukchi bo tungi du ga jina kira zo ge kat kora intuition gi ngani tamba ine Knight of Cups tam tura dagara proposal gi kat re ani da 6 of wands le du de dagara kira proposal gi kat shukchi bo cha du gi orin kira zo la on de so ge sim gi ke cha shinge de jung sigri la shwe so sim kira la de ba chinge de ya na kira ge sim gi ke cha ba shye o de yani changsa gi ya na engagement de gi da chaji ti ge de yi sigri la shwe ra kira zo o de do chili tu lan shwe next in this na la 아니 기란조 가지지 양 소소 단다 직 단다 칼라오레 소소기 kuryuk chiyora soso ki kuryuk di shira ka gimi dutsa bayna kinazo kuryuk di le shimbachi la tugyo on the day tungi du la shuyara kinazo ki chiri ya paso travel to utwe tinte yin sigiri ra chik yora dhul shui du dangani nyana soso chik tosham to utwe tinte yin sigiri soso ki ta deba megyo dada currently kari kala kinazo deba mewa ine on the ne tuni pa chik shimbachi la tugyo wa on the day tungi du ra chik chena soso simbati is ki uchunga dang soso ra tanda kiu message ni kiu isa chola twedo da yana subu ngu su gora chik suggestion ba chila twede de yin sigiri lan shwera kiran zola onde de chik tungi dura mixi gi da tuba me gedi so mang che chik chidu so gi da jewa de gila shana ti dula shwera sorry 아니 계란zo 이치도 가리로 시도라나 next end is like 계란zo 뽀뽀도 보차게 어디 숙진 보든기도 뽀뽀 빼 통보치 남긴 애리 셔다 내가 제도 메사 받은 저 제투게 투게로다 뽀뽀도 보차야지 미 어디 숙진 보든기도라 아 야나 계란기 갈라오레 뽀뽀 통보 샤상다 단다 계란기 계란이다 저거다 소소를 약부지 중에 저거다 아니 소소 내가 가리쳐와 줘 네 뒤인투베 저거다 어디 직 중거다 어디 계란기 뽀뽀 통보 용원에 내가 제가 줘야 돼 이시기리라 쉐라 간들 계란zo next end is 뽀뽀 통보 차게 와 언제 내도 시등이더라 아니 이다 계란zo 레치도 갈리기도 오케이 뽀뽀 통보 차와 마신 소소이 가리지 제 되바치 요라 소소이 남긴 직나 데리지 제 되바 유엘라 대치요라 계란기 어디 내가 디강란 소소이 내가 지기요 데데 뚱기도라 쉐 계란zo라 제투기요 소소 남긴 데리지 제 되바 유에섬 대치요 계란기 되바 어디 되바 여기 디강라 내가 제가 도 아니 내가 제가 도 마세 된 투비야 어디 뚱기도라 계란zo라 되냐 포투비야 어디 뚱기도라 쉐라 next 텐데스티나라 아니 계란zo 게 숙지부 키르투기와 남기 아시라 게 케투 메서기요 아이네다 계란기 게 항상 숙지부 키르투기요 온데 데도시라 next 텐데스 계란zo로 에너지 온데 데도시리기더라 소소 게 숙지부 키게 어서서 내가 숙지부 치게 온데 데도시기도란 쉐라 때 계란zo라 디카리들라나 카디라 파스키 계란zo기 미직 소소기 다치기요라 파스키 미치기요라 온디 때 계란기 수샤네리기리 simnala da li de chikirangi sujane ondi gi kiranzo la message ka de do chitigi dura ondi ko la khachi tuera okay message ka de do chitigi dugudu confusion okay da kirangi simnala sudi mi sudi gi shaba imbai ne kiranzo la ondi gi message kari dula na confusion to tingi do la shoot the chicken can also the past la ne to present la can also the tiwa you get the easy yana so so da yin yo do chingo ma chunge do ji kantra on the message kari do la confusion to do I feel unclear about where we stand ale relationship chola la can ke tanda garani kimala tanda khari gari do ji ka pa do chingani deep sawo chi do di ha go mi do la di chikira la message kiran zo na la kaji chila on the day message li do la shera di cheni se ba chi khari le I miss our inside jokes. That the Kaji Chido Karidula Nakiranzo, that relationship Nala os that os Unibu dates ani the Unibu dodo ani Shada, the Momato Chuma Tungi de Kaji Sarakiranzo. The one the Chido message Karilidla. Oma Nangai pay the Butu ani Chico chats cups to the anticaps Naranzi, Pepatu Kyudo Chia Chitila Joto Lang Kemoto Shore. The old the gate Tingi do like the day can get a Yingi message on the daily. That's also the lane that Karigari. Da di kat machi tengora ta kiranzola sangina ta dinzo kiranzola ta message retara pachu mi da sangina kiranzola kare do chi chungudu ra love connection kala kare do chi chungudu la na okay toxicity kat lidra toxicity gira toxic relationships can drain your energy and self-worth be aware okay kiranzola kaji chi sangina ta so saje ki ochi la drag de chi tungi dra da di chi chena di toxicity kiranzola ani quality gi res di de kiranzo kang tuk tuk gi se ba sab che care che la di li do di kira ine care che gi o tungi do chi da ne la so ki wa yo sa chi la de ri du la ni da gi shwa na shi de on di rang gi message kiranzola ra confirmation message risha de de chungire la message shiba khari tu chi tidra settling okay avoid settling for less than you deserve in love salen kiranzo da kaji chela da sawa chi relationship de dewa de so su yunge chi da de gel an khari message tu la na kiranzo la guidance khari du shu na ani chik so deserve chi ro da ngala igum chi ko yu la chi so de ba yu ge nang shin le ni da game indula settle da game indula settle che si ma gyab kang to so de ba yu ge nang shin dup to wa che la cha on di khari la na love relationship na la ni la o the day advice chi li du lan shwe ki nan zo gi chi do okay ni next day des tikran zo chi do reading tagams chi re ani so lo ko message ti pe ning chi mo chin link ki wo chin li pe re wa ye la shwe ye ni kiran zo gi ni dong de ni ki wo chung ye pe re wa ye ni do de si ba go chung so ni kiran zo gi like and subscribe che ba de le tu ji chi lan shwe yi ani ni de chi yong tashi de lek if your animal sign is rat dragon or monkey then this reading is for you or if you have chosen this group by a card, Knight of Cups, then this reading is for you, and I'm going to explain everything what is going to happen, what energies are coming for you in next 10 days. So first, you are doing something and you are achieving something very big, and people are praising you and celebrating for you. So you are celebrating, your energy looks, you are celebrating in next 10 days for something, or you are getting name, fame, money, success in next 10 days. Okay, that's also possible for you. Or maybe you are going to propose someone if you are single, or someone is going to propose you if you are single. Okay, that's also possible for the single people. Okay, and after that, you are walking to the peaceful place. If you are currently in a situation where you don't like your surroundings, then you are going to change that surroundings, or you're physically traveling, or you're going to the better place. That's also possible. Okay, and after that, you are looking very confident in next 10 days. Okay, so even if you right now, if you're feeling like little low confident or something, you're looking very confident in next 10 days, and you are going to be like, I can do whatever I want. You're going to be like that. Your energy looks like that for the next 10 days. Okay, that's very strong energy. And after that, you are working on something you wanted to work for so long. This can be your passion. Okay, passion work. You, even if you were like, I wanted to do this, but you were unable to start that, then in next 10 days energy, you are starting to work very hard towards your passion, or you are standing up for yourself. Okay, that kind of energy is coming for you, looking for you in next 10 days. And you are taking lots of responsibilities for your relationships or for your career path. You're taking lots of responsible, and you're working very hard. Okay, so this kind of energy is coming for you for next 10 days. And somewhere, or you're going to celebrate as well. Okay, so you're going to achieve something and you're going to celebrate for that as well. Okay, so or this can be your lesser energy, so you're going to celebrate with your relationships or family members. Okay, these energies are coming for you for next 10 days. And sorry, about your person in my mind's message for you is that if you are single, then this message is for you. I think the person in your mind is saying the confusion. Okay, he or she is they are confused about your relationship. Okay, so they are saying that I feel unclear about where we stand. Okay, this message is for you if you are single. And if you're in a relationship, then there's another message for you, this saying that I miss our inside jokes. Okay, so this card is coming and saying that if your relationship is like not very happy kind of situation right now, then your partner is saying that like, I miss our inside jokes, like before we used to be very happy, so I miss that situation right now. Okay, so that happiness right now, so your partner is saying that. And another message for you is toxicity. Toxic relationships can drain your energy and self-worth. Be aware. Okay, so this is for you, like this is for you, like if you are not right now, you are not happy in a situation, then you are moving somewhere else, right? You are changing the place. So this is exactly the confirmation card for you. If you are going through this kind of situation, okay, then be aware. Okay, so be aware, saying that toxicity relationship. And another message is that settling. Okay, avoid settling for less than you deserve in love. Okay, so if you're single, then you're going to proposed by someone. That's very possible for this next 10 days. So that's why I think this message is coming for you, like avoid settling for less than you deserve in love. Okay, so that's very clear cut message for you. Okay, so that's it. I hope you received your messages very well, and I hope you like this video. Okay, so thank you for likes and subscribing this video, and I request you to share this video with your friends and family members. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye bye. Tashtele Rukani Patso and Kiranzo Gilota Landa Dulda Jasumi Banning and the Kiranzo Ichido Real and Shera Yana Kiranzo Gi Kalaway intuition in the cut. Justice card the Dambadan and the Kiragi Chidurela Shakiragi Chidura. Next day, discarded to do Kiranzola energy can they do or the color reading in La Shera. Okay, the book card. Oh, next day, this energy Kiranzo Yoga Toto keep Simba Gui Yang Lulu to go out to do La Shera Niana, so Tosham to Chia de Laneti, Tosham to Tuet de Laneti Dura, so non the day such a queue in the La Tuet in the Ra. Picnic to down the east sigri rasoso ani kalawre this beach side and the trail and do the counter keep tangi on the day dosh to the simba in the queue yang putti to do next 10 days yapudula shera the ditching any kilanzo and the but to share to the dela chick to Bashukimbo you need to Kaji and Kitcha and share to the day do that switch the message in Hama soul and share so Linda and you want the day Kitcha share to Bashukimbo you need to do on the message lidu and you can also tap next day discardate to the energy rapeda come to Simba Lulu Terra come to Simba Lulu and Samlo in the count to Myung Korea Simba Lulu Sharia Chiti Kang Latia lady Shukimbo to do can also the energy on the day which to the Kitcha in the shita mashia doji Samlo in the shita mother and so to the Kia so Lulu there which on the day which to do the energy do can also chidura. Ani kiranzola next in this layana gokap mangpu tu chungdu yang tede energy chigli do sosola yana de gokap mangpu chik sosola jung ani kandi di damgo in goma chuye do da di chik soso dis kandi chego ina goma chuwa do chungye do da on the confusion do on the dis chik jung ya tungi do da di kaji chik chido ya soso single in de chido relationship la sosola offer in the coaching to baching mangbo chi sosola jung ani su damgo goma chuye do dang ani yana soso leka tende gi gokap mangpu do chik sosola jung ani su damgo goma chu yana samlo nangla danga DHO samlo mangbo do shi kor kandi chego kandi tangbo chego in ko matsu ya do da won de ji jung sigiri hilan shwera kiranso ta di de kesi de chungwa ina so man the intuition like da so gut feeling nanglo ni chowa chili da won de chowa di tak chuna digi du la shwera le de chowa di kare do chili do intuition so the intuition candido chilidu on the gi takchina digidu lan shwera on the day do energy ya digidu kiranzo ichidura anta dichine kharili dulan okay ni kiran so da simna la kanyi shuk chimbu do chi tewa do da kyu megyo do chungye do dang tentera kirangi du su tukcha shiguji tongyo wa ina ani kirangi da next 10 days ni kale dege sangma simna la yu dege de ni ma lu tang tugya on di ke shidura kiran la tukcha shiguji jungwa ta so ta da ra kare da kiran so na la kaji chigla simna kanyi shuk chimbu te do da kashi supul la na sa do da dege kanyi shuk chimbu te do da kashi yi yungi mi gi ma di wa chini kanyi shuk chimbu kashi ya so lega chesala ra chik mating ne ta lega chesa diwala chik ya ye yungi mi de madiwa cho to sozo la chik capture ma che to dang ra on de de kan ye khari do ji tewa yin ba ine kiran so ita on de kan yi ne ma dun to gya gi ra on de do shi de do next ni ma chu dinala ra ani yunggu gi ma chu dinala ra ani de chini khari do shli do la na kiran so ni da khari ta to lega to kare che ga to ai ne kiran gi pe samlo yak pu tang ne thak chu ya on de to gi do kiran gi khari do ji samlo korwa ne samlo ga de la pe sap tang gi yo lega khari che ga to gi wa ne samlo sap tang ne thak chu gi yo on de to gi do la shera kiran so gi next nima chudinala on tende do shitungido andi jinda kina gi ta love kangla lidu ni kina zora ta message kare lidu chikar din ma leng gora kina zo gida tewa di kina le so love life la ne do life partner la ne do on di kan lidu kina zo chita ni kina zo ye card di kona da ruka ni wa di na card kora justice card ra di justice kian tira to gero so la madi wa ni mambu chungdu ani o de gita tiwa ta suya so la ra kanyi mambu de tiwa ine so di kanyi di ma tu ya o di sama justice ki le kara kina zo ye card di intuitively damyo ne kina zo da kanyi shuk chimbu chi tiwa de ra kari do chi chungyo ai ne o di ni ma dun to gya girang tung du la shwera da di chini kiran zo gi chi da love card na la kari li du la na nurture la li du so la ra nurture che go ya la ne ti du so gi relationship na la nurture che go ya la ne ti du ra nurture your relationships like blooming flowers, they will flourish. So okay kiran gi relationship da kiran gi already te wa na la yu nge de zo gi chi du message kari du la na kiran zo gi relationship di yak pu su ya du da la ni so gi dis chi effort kali gaps ra di shikta konsola sewa tuen go sala tuen kecha jambo she go sa she nyeba te go sala te on de chi en ga tar kera relationship de ni pe yak puchagi re for example ta pena chachawa na so medok chi ya yak puchi kiro chi na sa ba na medodi la chulu ga to dang sa lu ga to dang ra on de sap che go chi ra o de che na medok pe apu ya ki yung ra on di rang kra ngi chi de ke shi du lan shwe ta so message di lenda ra su chi du re du ra so relationship di chi ta down do che du chi ta ya pu do mi de sa ba na on de chi is ra ki nan zo chi do on de message li du ni wa de la ki nan zo la kat khari li du la na secret la chi li du next 10 days la ra ki nan zo relationship la dansa nurture che tu ge insarra and the secret la di kar la idula something is hidden from you sa someone isn't being truthful la chi li da di kiran zo sui che do ina ha masta kachi chi che do kiran zo la che che sawa chi du sira onde de chitungi do ni someone kirangi mitsina la michikra ani kiran la tangbo tangkyang she go de shigi mi do tangbo tangkyang chigi mindu la chi de so ta dara so da ni o ta to mo pinja nang mi ta chig da je ke che sam la nge de do la ma thuk she in ke je be she do da so pugu yi ne pa mala ra sam de jungu do ke je de she ma thuk ani pa mala she ma thuk she de to da ani kirangi da kang tup to sam she che da kha jambo che go do da onde de chinen ke je de tuen to wa na pacho ta pugu di bai nere su in bai nera ondi ne simba lulu cha do ra ondi ndu no onde de do chi message li do yan changma ichi do reshu me so ta dara su ichi do reading ta so sam yora da pama be strict to che wa na am pugu di zo bai ne she ni ke cha de zo be de do de ba yo na shi ma to e jo onde de chungu do ara ta din zo ichi do in sigiri so ta relationship di nurture cheese kina ichi do message li da ta nurture chi do ni nyam do ra kang to bi champo che se wa che sam shi de shuk champo ke le to wa na ani so gi da pacho mi di lama to wa de ge kale la to wa chai ra undi ke je shi dra di kina zo ichi de so le na message and the entire person in your mind ta kina zo mind la yo mi di ge ni te kina zo samlo na lo yo mi di kina zo su message kariting it to do so on the calling ka chilingi ra kat din malingi ra kat chikla na ta timi do kat ngis lingi ne di take din malingi ile shera okay ni kiran zo ichi do kari new chapter okay new chapter like kat lidra okay kiran zo la di kat lidu di kari tu sena I am trying to move on. Okay, kiranzo past ki mi chik tende ingire chik chenara kiranzo relationship ta single ingire zo chido da break up to chai do da ne past ki mi tende insire chik chena di kiranangi energy ingire next 10 days lara I am trying to move on ta nga da sim na la ta tewa dige ta yunibu da nyar di kale ate so ta nga move on che go try chigi yes on the day do chi message li dra kirangi chido chikchena di energy kirangi ingire chikchena kiranga di message di kirangi samul na yugo midi ngoma gi pass ki chigi ingire ani okay dagara message li do chase later chaser like leader I don't want to chase anymore ani kirala namgu pe ga dula de tang thingi de yi ba ina da kirala ra tanga koni da tandu chase chingi to mu da nga kirala koni da zewa yela de tang thingi to mu dunga gang tup move on che try chi yela shanging che ra ta di sui ba ne kiranzo so ta da ra ya di ngi kiranzo samai chi de la shu mera so relate che so da resonate chi do samna ni de zo le da ra on di tero di on de link yu chi de lingu da ra on de shu ngi to so ani okay kiranzo chi do reading da gam sre sha ani next 10 days energy nging chi mudula ni shwe kiranzo gi hangsa ya pudu simdege ko mindu ani kakato to keep king ni de yu pere wa yu la shuen yi ani kina ngi ngendu de siba ko chu so ani ngendu de la like da subscribe je badile tu ji chela ni shuen yi ani ngir do che yong tashi the lake if your animal sign is ox snake or rooster then this reading is for you or if you have chosen this reading by intuition then if you have chosen the justice card then this reading is for you okay so what is going to happen or what energies are coming your way in next 10 days so first your energy looks in next 10 days you look so very playful, very happy, and enjoying your life, enjoying your moment. Or you might be traveling, or near the beach, you are going to go for picnic with your loved ones, and you're going to enjoy a lot in next 10 days. Okay, so you're celebrating something, or you're being very playful nature. So energy looks very good for next 10 days. Okay, and after that, you sometimes it's like you are trying to be very peaceful with, and you are trying to spend some time with yourself. Okay, you are trying to spend a time alone, and you are taking recharging your energy, and you're relaxing and being alone, and you are trying to be very peaceful with yourself. Okay, so that kind of energy is coming for you in next 10 days. And however, you are looking confused with lots of new opportunities or new options. This can be in your relationship. If you are single, you are going to see lots of potential partners, and you are going to confuse which ones to pick. Okay, or this can be in the job opportunities, or this can be anything. Or you might be thinking like, okay, I want to do this, I want to do this, and this. You have a lots of thoughts, and now you're confused which ones to do and where to start. Okay, this kind of confusion is coming for you as well. And if you have been through a lot, like bad situation, you have been betrayed by your partner, or you have been betrayed by your colleague, or you have been through a lot in any situation. This can be in your relationship or in your workplace, or this can be any situation. You have hurt a lot. Then you are going to heal, you are going to get healed in this next 10 days by slowly. Okay, not suddenly, but slowly you are going to heal. You are healing in next 10 days. Okay, so this can be in the physical health as well. You have been lots of like your health was not good, or you have been through a lot with physical health, or this can be the mental or heartbroken, or this can be anything. Okay, but in this next 10 days you are healing from that kind of situation. Okay, so that's very good energy for you. And the last energy is like you are thinking and analyzing everything before you decide to take action. Okay, so you're thinking, and you are being aware. Your awareness is increasing in next 10 days. Okay, so you're going to analyze everything before you make the decision. Okay, so that kind of energy is coming for you. And for the love life, it's like the nurture card is coming and saying that nurture your relationships like blooming flowers, they will flourish. So this is like nurture, you need to nurture your relationship. Okay, this message can be for you. So if this resonating with you, then take this only. Okay, so like nurturing, you need to nurture your relationship. This can be with your with your parents, with your life partner, or if you have child, then this can be with your child. Okay, so whoever this is, you have to nurture, and you're going to nurture in next 10 days. Okay, so that kind of energy, that kind of message is coming for you as a guidance. And another message is like secrets. Okay, secrets, something is hidden from you, someone isn't being truthful to you. Okay, so that kind of message is coming. So I think if you are being very strict mother, for example, okay, this is just example, if you are a very strict mother, then sometimes we are very afraid to tell our things, our mind, talk to our parents when they are very strict, right? So we tend to hide the things from our parents, right? Sometimes. So this can be anything. Okay, for you, like don't be, if you are a strict person, then don't be that strict. Okay, so that kind of be a little bit open, and a little bit nurture, and like a loving kindness kind of person, so that the other person can be open with you. Okay, so openly share everything. Okay, so that kind of message is coming for you. So if it's resonating, then only take this message, otherwise leave the message for the other people. Okay, so and another message is like new chapter, so saying that if you're single or heartbroken, or if you're thinking someone in your mind right now, so I think this message is from that person to you. So that person is saying that I'm trying to open new chapter, I'm trying to move on. He or she or they are trying to saying that they are trying to moving on. Okay, so and chaser, so another message is for you, like I don't want to chase anymore. So they don't want to chase you anymore because they are trying to move on, okay, in their life. So that's the message. Okay, so that's it for you. I hope the reading resonated with you and you have enjoyed the reading. So I hope, and thank you for like and subscribing this channel, and share this video with your friends or family members. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Tashtale rukasu batso ni kirang zogi lo ta kisumi badengi do di kirang chiduri yana kirang intuitively ra got 9 of pentacles ti tam yobana ngendu di kirang chiduri la shwera kirang chidu next ten discare gare chungdu on the color reading la shwei ani kirang ki tangboy na chikali do shli do next ten dislara okay kirang lega yo kale gap shuk gap mangbo do chi pa su yu shiu chi ti tang chi gi yo on the day do shitingidra 쪽진이 내가 막 보체 탕치와나 야보라니 기우도라 오 데데도 치팅도 내가 숙침부 지투기요 그런게 내가 지교나 신지부에 등교 아니기라 디 탕치교 데데도 등기도 괜찮아서 playful nature야 소소 깁깁 타야 토cham도 돼야 야는 소소 피크닉 엔데 땅가 돼야 야는 비치 사이드라 돼야 세바큐 고능안에 돼야 심바 가가도도 깁깁 안에 돼야 온디 숙침부 리기더라 심바 강토도 고야 야나 깁깁 제디 리도 오케이 괜찮아서 치도 단도 카리 리도라나 탑 싱글 인게 조치도야 mingle proposal 덴데 등기더라 아니 이렇게 저기 치도 오늘이 등기도 소소야나 name fame success 된디 등기도 가지 소소 된디가 내가 칭이 바이나 소소 계단이다 된디 중야 아니 계단 진부차야니다 진부차야 아니 소소 내가 갈래 개교들라 디부 상부 뒤야 된디 이게 가래 에너지 키라서 쫄어 수용기도라 쉬에 야나 키라기 치도야 다 창사게 도당 아니 engagement 야 도당 키라 싱글 이바이나 키라라야 소소라다 가유둘라니 심기 계자 등이 된디 중야 된디 등기도라 쉬에라 키라서 소소소 다게 다게 치더라 온데 데도 치카트리도 아니 키라기 내가 중부직지 엔딜라 바벤 야 키라가 다도 데리기도 그래 and that so simnala kanyi do chi te kyu pegyo do chi jung ma simnala da ba do yuri bu ni simla pe kanyi shukchim bu mangpo chi kirang gi simnala chik move on chema do ne kirang gi sim de to da de yu sigir ra de kashi subula na sa mangpo do sa kanyi te to da na sa kanyi do te de to da kashi simnala chik na sa simnala da kanyi do shukchim bu mi shi ba yu kop do yo to da mi shi ba yi marap to to da an yap che da to da chik duri ni chik 지교도 가리요 안에 semnal 가리도지 기랑이 심데니 기우메교도 중대교 안에 다 기랑이 다 로사와디 고수도니 닝바디게 상말류 당기래 데데 sorry 데데기 에너지 엔기르다 로사와리기 도스닝바디게 류 당기 인스테디게 에너지 엔기르 칸트르 기랑이 semnal 심치야교디 갈리 류 당기요 next 10 days on the day 도시팅이 도라 슈야 기랑이 지도 Oh my god, 9 of Pentacles, gala 9 of Pentacles list di indi kirang zola yungbap tanguni hangsai shukchimbu sozola pesha dogo dante de pye shukchimbu sozola jungya ra income de shukchimbu jungya yana sozo business running cheni yakpo jungya ani sozo gi tele pabe pesha dozong yakpo tang kiu yakpo tang gyo ondi shukchimbu tungi do lan shwera sozo kiu tang sozo ni ngeu de zongem de kiu tang ya do da sozo simba ni kiu de da koryu Korean 예윤기 밑상마 소소 잉여 상만 베기 우샤야 온데 레게 에너지 등이 돌란 쉬에 기라서 next in this 에너지 항상 약도 소소소 라인바이네 옆자도 게 쇼핑도 치야 럭셔리 아이템 등에 찰한데 잉지모 둘로 잉지모 약본 등에 온데 한 소소 잉여 어디서 라인바이네 pe 강토도 기스바 pe 기우샤야 온데 강토 에너지 항상 약보등기도 기라서 예카디 intuitively nine of pentacles 담요 아이네레 아니 기라서 라 발주르기 뇌네 셈데 큐니 마고야 온데 데도 시둥이더라 용법 약보 유교 아니 셈데 큐니 마고야 온데 데도 시둥이들라 쉐 next in this 안타 키나조기 치도다 person in your mind right kina gita michi gita past ki meet ota de gira kina la da su shawa ne tigri message kari do shi shagi kina zola da de do shi ta ora message kari do shi shagi dus soul contracts are oh yes, soul contracts are the lesson I learned from us will never be forgotten. Saying je kiran ta past ki kiran la mi chi kira kare message ti dula na kiran zo gi soul contribute ke shi soul mate tende easy ra singo ma gi tende tewa yo tende easy gi ani chirdan en kiran zo gi parola chungyo do shi da ani chi yora da chi ondi nga misinal kadwe temba chesa mari temba chi gi me la chi message li de da kiran zo gi chi dura ani yang ko ni chi tingara kat unappreciated lead rather the message di kiranzala sina I felt like you didn't care ta pajumiri khari kirana message shagi dulana ta kiranzo gi chido da break up to chaya to the past ki so ex to the ne easy ra khari message shagi dulana ani kirangi pajula shida care chigyo do thongma song so on the day do chi message shagi du ra kirangi chidura kirangi pashi uji care chigyo do thongma song ala yame do tangyo do da de on de shukchi bunga chor song la chime on the day do chi shagi dura kiranzo chido da love ki di message ta sangina gi kiranzo la ta khari do chi chungya do da yana kada current ki relationship ta kirangi dewa de gi message khari do chi shagi du on de la ne ti dura yana sangina khari do chi chungya ra okay de kiranzo individuality ki card le dura be very opposite partners sara maintain your individuality okay ni kiranzo da single ingi de zo ichi da khajela proposal tende li do ra da de zo ichi do message ingirra ani so gi da chik partner mi khachi do so the love life la thato so and che so la pe possessive do so la di che di do kare shibala ki ma che shibal di ma ta tambo pe che cho so la na on de chingi de partner de kirang la toxic de sa ndi la di ndi ni ti chi kang thup ki tambo me ti chi awareness ka na te go ya da ni sab che go ya on the day chi ke chi du la share ki na zo ta love life la sawa chi ko chu bi and dijin gar li du wish someone you wished for is coming into your life okay da kana ge de ba yo michik an kira sala chu yung dus ra on the day ke chi du la share okay that's it and kira sala da reading da am sin so lo go message de paying chi mo ji link yo chi de link pe de wa yo la share yi ra an kira la resonate che zo na ni message tin zo link sha da ti ya resonate chi mi de sa ba na ke yo mari ra ani yang sam pe resonate shu chi mo chi tu re da de le na ti yo re la share okay ni kira gi ndu dis ba ko jung so an kira gi ndu de la kada channel subscribe che ba de la tu ji chi lan share yi ani ngir de chi yong tashi de lek if your animal sign is tiger horse or dog then this reading is for you or if you have chosen group number 3 which is 9 of pentacles then this reading is for you if you are attracted to 9 of pentacles then this reading is for you as well so in this video I am going to talk about what is going to happen or what energies are coming your way in next 10 days so first I'm going to start with the card 9 of wands so in next 10 days your energy looks like you are a little bit tired after working so hard okay so you have worked a lot and you are being very active worked a lot you have achieved whatever you have worked for and now you're a little bit tired energy for next 10 days okay so that kind of energy is coming for you that's also good if you worked and achieve something and you're feeling tired then you're going to sleep better right so that's good energy and after that your energy looks like you are taking a trip or picnic or you're going for the picnic with your loved ones and you're enjoying your moment that kind of energy is coming for you as well and also the another energy is like you are achieving something you're gaining name fame or this can be you're achieving something you're looking very successful in next 10 days or someone is coming to propose you if you're single or that kind of energy is also there okay and people are appreciating whatever you have worked people and your surroundings are very happy about your work okay that kind of energy is coming for you as well so and however if you have been through a lot of difficult situation people have betrayed you or you have betrayed or you are physically unhealthy or mentally you're going through a lot then in upcoming next 10 days you're going to release or you're going to release all the bad things okay you're going to get relief or you are healing you're releasing every bad thing and you're going to heal and you're going to feel better after after like next 10 days, and after that your energy looks very positive. You are receiving a lot of happy money, you are enjoying your money, and you are spending your money and buying your new clothes, and you are being very happy, you are being very appreciative, and you are being happy, and you are keeping your surroundings are very happy as well for next 10 days. So that energy is very positive for you. And a person in your mind's message for you, okay? So this can be your past person, or this can be sorry, this can be for you, or if this is not resonating with you, then it's okay. So but if it's resonating with you, then take this message only, okay? So first message is like soul contract. So the lesson I learned from us will never be forgotten, okay? So your person is saying that he or she has learned something with you, and they are never going to forget that things, okay? That happy moments, that can be anything, okay? That kind of message. And another message is like unappreciated, okay? So this message is coming. I felt like you didn't care, they felt like you didn't care much about them, okay? So that kind of message is coming for you. And the another message is like individuality, okay? Be aware of possessive partners, maintain your individuality, okay? So you have to be a little bit careful while choosing a new partner. If you are single, then only take this message. I think this message is for you only if you're single, okay? So and another is like a wish, okay? So your wish, someone you wished for is coming into your life, okay? So you have wished someone to come into your life, then good news for you, they are coming into your life in this next 10 days, okay? So that's all. I hope this reading resonated with you, and I hope you received your message well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I request you to share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye. Darstale kiragi loda yuda luda pasumi banning in the kiragi to real share kiragi to the extent is karagar chungutu on the color reading ila share ayana kiragi intuitively ruka shiba di tambaina ani kiragi 6 of wands chola de bachuk chimbole wache on the tambaina into the kiragi to real and share ani kiragi chidu next end is candido to on the color reading ila share ani Krangi chido dambo carte okay. Kranala next date is like a redo chitula tichigra michi by the chambo de migi this cocortan luetsi get the chung sigre scheme and the chung sigre the ducana this sub chegoya tampon this chick dadik tegoya this chick tampon do not this chegoya this chick color awareness kana tegoya on the chi lidula shera kirala. Energy chi lidu this so they go any kira la kari do chitula na kira su chik chena ya da pa su chik doya ra taring bu de sa shiba chi la doya o de gi chashe do chi dik de yo de tong dura next is energy so ina me pinche ni do to potong mo sala doya de yi series so le ka chi sa ne ma chik sa shiba chi la doya de gi chashe ding yo de energy chi ya li du na shera kina zo chi do ani kashi chi chi de so chik kokap sawa chi nge la ne ti de kiran zo kokap sawa chi chungya ta so ita dewa de ge da relationship de ge nyam to koni chambu che ge kokap de chungya de insigiri ya no so chi ha go ke je sawa chi ha go ya de risha la ni ha go ya to chi da ya ne kiran zo la da chung song ting ma song sam de ngi de zo chi do kun cho gi chi lam de do chi lam dok to chi na ya ani kiran zo la intuition de ngani ha go ya so la ale de chi ri du la so ha go ya da kun cho gi na ya la na thi do de do chi na ji li du ra ani ti chi ni kiran zo la fertile kat li du ra di de ni kiran so chi pugu tu tan de chung ya gi ya de ba yungi de zo chi du da mo di ya pu du la shera ani shiba khari du shwana the fruitful result can also pay you lulu nyam tang ni digyo atende tungi to pay kip gaga to kip tangyo atende tungi to so kali ke tibu ya putungi atende tungi to so kang tap to pay you kimuto tigyo on the day la na tigidura so be kyu kan tigyo ni kale kyu de le tibutyo ka to keep tangyo on the day do shtigidura so le ne tsewa shukchi buche so ye yungi mi den so le bai ne tsewa shukchi buche on the day tungidu la shwera kiranzo 강tar da energy 항상 약부지 kiran chola suyungidu la shwera 항상 약부 digidu kiran zo in extend is energy ani strength niba shukchi buche so niba tombo chikala ore so 남기나 수금 시다 메사 받인 줄에 수금 숙침부 지토게도다 삼시 숙침부 리토게도다 세바 기우 강톡톡이 벨흘리 기우 데토게도다라 아소소 디스 남기 디스 징아겔 도다 룽도다 콩도 되는 망불리기도 삼바나 데조이 네키라기 좀 토게도다 아니 넥스 이마 슈데나 키란조 항상 야포도 라 아니 가가도도 기기 당겨 된데 된기도라 아니 배아부도 항상 약부도 원데리로 시라세 바장마 세바기우 원데리 티기오 아체 고양보도 나와 기우 티기오 원데리 뚱기도라니 소존 뉴바이네 베 펠리아 소존 뉴바 톰보도 차기오 원데리로 시팅기도 라 쉐라 원데리 항상 약부도 라 쉐이 안타 디치니 키라ンthe person in your mind the love message reda denzora an kirangi da past kita relationship la ne tigidu ta suin bai ne chigira kirangi chil message kan de do chi shagi dura wondi so la relate chigidu ta dara okay inseparable like chili the message kari dilana our love is always there so despite the distance kena zo kaji chi chido da do kaji chi chido so so ngi nyo chala to yo ada gi ka tyen sara da na re shi kena zo ka ngi nyo de gi nyam do tharing bu de gi wa ine ngarang zo da 카가 도다 카 데도다 카가 인데다 제마 토에 제 투게 고라 요고라 마레스라 다 가두이네 다 세와 요바리 라이게 시기더라 our love is always there you but it's you but it's subu kazu da kazu taring bude and sim git you but like message li do la share and you are the unappreciated yan kaji chi the message kari du shuana I felt like you didn't care in kiragi shira care che masong ji mindu sam so la shime on the day do chi kiragi the past relationship to going by ne da so to poto mind day by ne da ne pat be chu da pe kira sewa chi the chu shira sewa che ma so the do chi sam so la chi lidra soul contract like the lead can also chidra the lesson I learned from us will never be forgotten like the leader the yinge la listaran can also lead to la share ani can also the love message the yungu love message kare do chidra can current la ne tidura okay can also friendship like leader friendship kare dulana this connection is based on friendship it may never develop into romance okay can also friendship the yakpo de chikishidra next thing is friendship 항상 yakpo based on friendship love the connection much as friendship be 항상 yakpo de to ga on de chikishidra unseen love can be blind ensure you are not overlooking red flags okay da kaji chikichido yan so can also edit do chungyu da midi da yago midi chik do ni do judge to mangbu chigyo aina da den zo ichi do message karili do lana love like da ga zo da sewa do shuk chibu chigli do ni shara chi tong do mare la sha oh the day do chili do la shwe okay can also resonate che be wa you and can also ging into the channel subscribe che ba de la tu chill and shwe and can ging into the bago ju you the che yong dashi the lake if your animal sign is rabbit sheep or pig then this reading is for you or if you have chosen this group number 4 and you have chosen you are attracted by 6 of wands then this reading is for you. This reading is about what is going to happen for you or what energies are coming your way for the next 10 days. Okay, so first I'm going to start with 7 of swords. This card indicates that you have to be prepared. You might going to get into some scams, people trying to scam you or trying to betray you or trying to do something. They're trying to be clever, overpower you. There can be anything. Okay, that kind of energy is coming your way, so you have to be a little bit careful for next 10 days. Okay, after that, 3 of wands says you are like you are working and you are staying far away from your loved ones or your parents, your family members, and now in next 10 days like you are planning to make a trip to meet your parents. Okay, or this can be your loved ones, this can be anyone. You are like missing them, your loved ones, and now you are planning to be with them. Okay, that kind of energy is coming for you, or you are traveling. Maybe some of you are going to travel like around the countries, around the world. Okay, so that kind of energy is coming for some of you. And after that you are realizing something, or you're going to get a second chance, or this can be like you are changing yourself or transforming your life for the next 10 days. Okay, or you are guided by higher power. Okay, and you are going to feel like, oh my god, I am always protected by this one. Okay, the higher power. This can be anyone, whoever you believe. Okay, so after that your energy looks very positive, fertile. You are doing self-love, you are being very positive, you are surrounded by very positive energies, and your energy is very positive for next 10 days, and you are going to feel very proud, happy, and you are going to appreciate your surroundings, and you are going to okay, so you're going to be very happy in next 10 days. The very positive energy for you for next 10 days. Okay, and the strength card says that you're going to be very pure and very positive, and you're going to, even if you are facing some challenges with your anger issues, or like ego issues, then in next 10 days you are like, no, I'm not going to use my egos and angers. I'm just going to be very peaceful person. Okay, so you are changing your inner self as well. Okay, so that kind of energy is coming for you. And a person, message from a person in your mind, or this can be your past person. Okay, so someone is giving you message that inseparable, our love is always there despite the distance. Okay, you are with this person. Okay, so that can be also possible. So that person is saying that our love is always there. Okay, even if you are, despite the distance, if you are staying far away from each other, the love is always there. Okay, so, or this can be your parents, this can be your child, this can be anyone. Okay, so, and unappreciated, another message is saying that I felt like you didn't care. Okay, so you have to be little, you have to appreciate your partner or your loved ones. Okay, so, but next 10 days you are looking very very positive and being appreciative to all the people. Okay, so that kind of energy is coming for you, so that's good, right? And the another soul contract, the lesson I learned from us will never be forgotten. Okay, so that kind of message is coming from your past person, I think. Okay, so whatever you have learned a lesson when you were being together, so they will never forget about that. Okay, so that kind of message is coming. And another message is like friendship. Okay, friendship, this connection is based on friendship, it may never develop into romance. Okay, so this is this message is from your friend. Okay, one of your friend. So and unseen, love can be blind, ensure you are not overlooking red flag. So that kind of energy is coming for you. So if these messages are resonating with you, then only take these messages, otherwise leave for the other person. So that's it. I hope it resonated with you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching. I request you to share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in next video. Bye for now.